Hello there, and thank you for joining us at 24 Waldo. We're on a sweet little tiny alley off of Leavenworth. Nice and quiet here. We've got a nice open floor plan, one bedroom, lots of lights. Go ahead and step on into the bedroom. Great little area right in Russian Hill here. Lots of great places to be able to walk to. Good restaurants just down the street. Good amount of space in the bedroom. And then we'll go ahead and walk on into our living room, dining room, common area. Again, lots of room. Closet space as well. Opens right on into the kitchen. Definitely enough room for a dining room table in here as well, or a nice big island. Got our gas stove and our dishwasher. Lots and lots of cabinet space. Beautiful wood on that. We'll go ahead and step on into the bathroom. Our washer dryer is in here as well. Shower tub combo, single sink. And then we'll go ahead and step outside because there's a really nice deck as well. Walking on through the kitchen. We'll just go out this back door. Quiet, shady deck here. Probably get more sun though as the year goes by. Lots of mature plantings in the other neighbor's yard, so it's nice and shady. Smells fantastic as well. And we'll just take a little look around. And there you go. So thank you so much for joining us here at 24 Waldo. Hopefully you can come by and visit soon. And thanks so much. Bye-bye.